Arthur Miller's classic play, Death of a Salesman, is a thought-provoking and emotionally charged exploration of the American dream. The play follows the tragic story of Willy Loman, a struggling salesman haunted by past failures and desperate for success. Set in the late 1940s, Death of a Salesman offers a poignant reflection on the post-World War II American society and the pressures faced by individuals striving to achieve the ideal of the American dream. Miller's powerful portrayal of Willy Loman's inner turmoil and external struggles has resonated with audiences for decades, making Death of a Salesman a timeless and enduring piece of literature. Here is a list of characters. Willy Loman is a struggling salesman who is constantly chasing the American dream. He is consumed by his desire for success and recognition, often to the detriment of his relationships with his family. Linda is Willy's devoted wife who supports him despite his failures and delusions. She is a strong and compassionate character who tries to hold her family together in the face of adversity. Biff is Willy's eldest son, a former high school football star who is struggling to find his place in the world. He is disillusioned with his father's unrealistic expectations and is searching for his own identity. Happy is Willy's younger son, who is also a salesman like his father. He is constantly trying to prove himself and win his father's approval, often resorting to manipulation and deceit to get ahead. Ben is Willy's deceased older brother who appears in Willy's hallucinations. He represents success and wealth, serving as a constant reminder of what Willy could have achieved if he had made different choices in life. Here are the events of the play. Willy Loman is a salesman living in Brooklyn with his wife, Linda, and their two sons, Biff and Happy. He is struggling financially and is haunted by memories of his past. Willy is disappointed in his sons, especially Biff, who he believes has not lived up to his potential. Willy's mental health begins to deteriorate as he starts having hallucinations and flashbacks. He is unable to distinguish between the present and the past, often talking to himself and having conversations with people who are not there. Still, Willy continues to push himself to make sales. Biff returns home after failing in the business world. He is disillusioned and feels pressure to live up to Willy's expectations. Biff resents Willy for putting so much pressure on him. Willy feels betrayed by his boss, Howard, who fires him after years of loyal service. Willy is devastated and feels like he has lost everything. He starts to believe that the only way to provide for his family is through his life insurance policy. In a moment of desperation, Willy decides to take his own life by crashing his car. Linda and the boys are left to pick up the pieces and come to terms with Willy's death. Biff finally comes to terms with his father's flaws and forgives him for his shortcomings. The play ends with Willy's funeral, where Biff realizes that his father was not a great man, but simply a man who tried his best. For guides, downloads, and games on subjects like this, click the link in the description or visit memorywizards.com.